Hola Nieves, welcome back to my channel. I know you are hungry today. Yes. You love curry. This is Japanese style curry. We call it Bamon curry. This one is also very famous one, Jawa curry. And it's the 6th level of spicy level, the highest one. So it must be spicy. So I'm gonna use this. I still have some leftover of this curry mix and mix with this Bamon curry. Okay. When I was in China, there were some Japanese supermarkets, so I could get this kind of Japanese product. I'm not pretty sure if you can find this kind of Japanese products in your country. If not, I don't know how to make from zero, mixing all the spices. In Japan, most of people cook curry with this kind of packed curry sauce. Otherwise, we don't know how to make curry mix. So in this video, let me show you how we Japanese people make curry at home. In the future, I will make a curry from zero with mixing all the spices. I'll show you ingredients. To pack the curry sauces, one is very spicy one, and the other one is a leftover. I used half before. This time I put chicken because it was cheap. Oh yeah, this one is from Brazil. Hello, welcome to Japan. And this one is from Japan. It's kind of more expensive. 2 bags and 3 bags. I think this is obviously too much, but I love meat, so I put 2 chicken legs and 1 onion, 1 or 2 potatoes, and 1 carrot, and 2 garlics. And I know some people ask me why they are yellow. It's just because they're Asian and they are frozen, because it lasts longer. And I'm gonna make half cooked boiled eggs as well, okay? And chili pepper flakes and Lowell leaves. It's very hard, Lowell. I think that's it, but you can add anything. Curry has very strong taste. Seriously, you can put anything. Some people put honey, grated apple, even chocolate, anything you want. Maybe this time I will put some red wine. Let's get started. Boil some water for eggs. First peel veggies. First slice onion. Next potato. Okay, I'll cut it 1/4. Too big. This size. I don't know how you call it, but this is kind of unique way to cut the veggies. You roll your onion, your carrot. Like this size, and slice the garlics. Okay, now the veggies are ready. Next, cut the chickens. Where's fucking racist, huh? I think this curry is gonna be so meaty, with so much meat in it. Cut like this size. See? They're united. Such a beautiful word. So I forgot to shoot the video. Once the water is boiled, you put your eggs and boil it for 5 minutes. Only for 5 minutes, okay? There are some ways of cooking curry, but I guess you are also as lazy as me. I love you. So I will show you a very easy way to cook curry, okay? Put some oil, garlic, okay, and onion. Oh, fuck it. And rescue your egg and put it in a cold water, okay? Shut up. Oh, now I'm very busy. You don't want the eggs get cooked too much, so put them in a cold water. And stir fry the onion until the color gets changed. So it takes some time, so you have to be very patient. Maybe like 7 minutes. Now the color is changing a little bit. I'm sorry my friend, I'm afraid I cut too much chicken. Cannot accommodate in the pan. I will remove 1/4 of the chicken. You can see the differences, right? So now they're ready. Put 1/4 of chicken. Yeah. I want to add some wine, red wine now. Put some salt and pepper. Oh, but don't worry, I'm not gonna use green onion this time. Add the rest of veggies. Now you can add water. You will just need to follow the instruction of the sauce. Now put the Lowell. For Japanese, it's very hard to pronounce this Lowell. Low, L and R. I hate that. As you can see, this dude is specialized for curry. Okay, now get rid of this kind of foam. They're supposed to be bad. The bad taste. Put the lid and leave it for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I will peel the egg. It's very fragile, so you have to be very careful. Oh yeah, I made it. Everything is right. Just be careful, it's very fragile. Look, it's very soft. I made it. It's been almost 15 minutes, so let me taste. Okay. Not bad. It's kind of sweet. Some people put chicken stock, so yeah, let's try. Just a little bit. When I cook at home, I often use this pressure pot to save some time, but this time I use the chicken, so I don't think it's necessary. I guess chicken stock get melted. Oh, good. Alright, it's been almost 25 minutes, so yeah. Completely cooked. So much oils. Remove the laurier. I put some honey, just a little bit. Yes. And this is Japanese usta sauce. I put some. Maybe 15 milliliter. Believe me, yeah, it's gonna be a great one. I'm so sure. Turn off the gas and put the sauce. I don't know how much I should put. Let's see. Definitely not enough. Another 3 more. Let's see how it goes. Now I think I should have cooked with a pot, not a pan. Okay, I think now it's good. Didn't need to put too much sauce. All good. Now it looks great and smells wonderful. But I still want it to be spicier. Put some pepper flakes. All good. Now I'm thinking to make some Mexican food. I miss Mexican food. I haven't had it for long time. I'm gonna introduce the best friend of curry. His name is Fukushinzuke. It is named after like a group of gods, maybe Chinese one. I'm not pretty sure about the religious thing, but I'm sure the main ingredient is daikon radish. So fukushinzuke is always served with curry. Okay, now everything is ready. I don't even know the name of this gentleman. Let's put some curry. I'm super hungry. More chicken. Yeah, good. A bit more sauce. Now it looks okay, but put his best friend. Please don't forget about him. This egg, Mr. Egg. Yeah, I'm gonna cut him in half. Can you see it? It's half cooked. It's beautiful. Put some parsley on the rice. Done. It's beautiful, isn't it? Great curry. So this must be great. Look the egg part. So raw. We love in Japan. We eat like raw eggs. So try this here. Wonderful, perfect. This is not my achievement, it's theirs. But yeah, I made this curry. If you can find this kind of packed curry mix, you can make this kind of great curry with my recipe. If not, please give me 1 month. I will make another video of curry, like making from zero, mixing all the fucking spices. I will study and research about it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, please try this recipe first and subscribe my channel as well. And after that, visit our website and see some cute kokeshi dolls. Okay? Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.